Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to close the jQuery dialog box when we click the mouse outside the dialog. Notice when I reload this browser, the background color has been changed to gray. Now when I click the mouse inside this dialog, it's not closing. But when I click the mouse outside the dialog, so it's gone. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. In my previous video, I have shown how to remove or hide the close button on the jQuery UI dialog box. Notice in this jQuery UI, there is no any close button. If you missed that video, or if you don't know how to remove the close button from this jQuery UI, at the end of this video tutorial, you will get that video link. Now in this video, my aim is, I want to close this dialog when I click outside the dialog. For example, when I click here or anywhere outside the dialog box. So let's write the coding part in jQuery. And this is a code we have just seen the output on the browser. Now in this jQuery function, I'm adding the open attribute, which is a function. Now in this function, I'm adding the class name, which is a predefined of jQuery, between double quotes dot UI widget overlay dot click function there's a function this one. Now in this function I'm adding dollar between single quotes. I'm adding this div ID, which is a jQuery dialog box. I'm adding here. When we are adding IDs, we need to prefix with hash dot dialog between single quotes. I'm adding the close. That's it. We have added the code to close the dialog box when I click outside the div container or dialog box. Let's save this file. We'll check the output. I'm reloading this browser. After I reload the browser, notice when I click the mouse outside the div or jQuery dialog box, see, the functionality is not working. The reason, we need to add the another property model -true, comma. Once we add this property to true, let's save this file. We'll check the final results. I'm reloading this browser again. Notice when I reload this browser, the background color has been changed to gray. Now when I click the mouse inside this dialog, it's not closing. But when I click the mouse outside the dialog, so it's gone. That's it.